When you book a projector, you will find in the bag some information describing best practice for setting up the projector. Please make sure you read this and make any adaptations that you need to set up the projector correctly. The Vivitek short throw or floor projector has a number of inputs including HDMI, USB, audio in and out, and VGA and DVI for connecting MacBooks or laptops. In this case, I'm going to connect via the HDMI connection. The projector can only be operated using a remote control, which can be booked out at the same time. And important functions include the multi-selector, enter, power. There are also keystone, volume, and menu options. When you set up the projector, you would need to turn it around, as the light is emitted from the lens here and reflected off the mirror onto the wall that you intend to project onto. You can adjust the zoom and the focus by lifting the hatch here and controlling both of these dials to affect the zoom and the focus. Floor projectors are useful for projecting at large scale within a confined space. However, the resulting projection is often a little bit soft, so you need to be mindful of this. If I bring up the menu here, we can see some of the options available for controlling the picture through brightness, contrast, color, etc. And also you can affect the color temperature, color space, and white balance. So you can fine-tune the quality of your projection. This is useful. We can select our aspect ratio and switch between 16:9, 4:3, letterbox or real, etc. to match your output. Keystone control allows you to change the vertical keystoning. Overscan allows you to shift the image within the physical space to the left or to the right. And size and position allow you to affect the zoom, so you can zoom in and out dependent on your requirements. You can change the language for setup. Please remember to return this back to English when you've finished. And here you can adjust your audio settings, volume, treble, bass, or even mute. And finally, the info tab at the end tells us our settings and the lamp hours. To power off, simply press the power button on the remote and press again to switch off. Please allow the projector to cool down before packing up.